Kotoko
yeah, was a very tough game. Goldstars. Goldstars are quite Swedwell Blacks.
We know
Kaya, the first game was where she became United. Also, outstanding games back. Apart from Kotoko, as our Kotoko drop it against Out of Lions.
Yeah, someone also drop you, Anna.
Oh no, on drop it. What about 2 games? What's your name? Yes, on in a good Goldstars in the Kotoko in Africa. I said, became Obey Fian, Waka Swedwell Blacks. Attack me more near grow. Goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe, Francis Chenemo Juma or Moyano, even share Samson Eduku Koi or Bakotoko and Timamo, Shejuma or Kobo on Apia Makatimo, and indication about says from Paul Manson so of free on. Say Baxke, Maxwell Kunedu, Equaco G. Jumanae, only coach among Quamon and Quaco to us. So, and if Kotoko really wants to make a statement in the league, they must win the game against BBN Goldstars tonight.
Of course.
I'm impressed with the selection of Coach Karim Zito.
Against
especially the dispositions of how he plays them tactically. Because Seno Sibo Morifin Dozo on the right side of the attack, no? I felt like you were exposing the player. Yeah. Because Morifin onyo be a pacey. And so you be out to be Gina Bosso. Nian Saudi or a target man. Manime Gina or central backs no more restaurant. A sort a honomo or midfielders no more. I pick the second balls. That was where I had problem with Coach Karim Zito because they see then our map, even though Abetamo played well, but at the fell Senka or Yuzu Abetamo at the right flank and then Oma Morifin Denzu or A as the target man. And also second half, and now say make a change. Now you be Jehu Aqua the right side of the attack. Yes, or you're skillful, but on your pacey. When playing, ya na onye obi o tumrika. Saka Dauda monomane the lives of Peter Amidu akwamone beti ya yes ejuma na ma. Because mo no mutumi tumrika. But who beto beti na gina boss but on tumrika sa. So e koba ne say on man say on kobo sa eno so who expose no kakra. What you say? But I think that Walid Hussein Nema ever show some promises kakra. And why rusty kakra but oh yeah, pay the game model now better no. With just time, he will come to the party, and I think that he has some promise. Yes, or a very good player, and I think that he will need some time. Going forward, no, I think that Obama some positive vibes. And yeah, an easy game. Even as much as my favorite Kotoko so more the favorite for this time. And yeah, an easy game for me. Set me and then a drawing shed and me but Kotoko will start as favorite tonight. El Baba Erasmus Stadium in the outstanding week 2 fixer. Of the Ghana Premier League yeah. Second, medical say BBN Goldstars almost a Hall of Famers no. O league winners no. Say first no say BBN Goldstars enya winner. Untimi mulio mo say almost be winners. And per the 2 results on watching, they might also be in contention. Now almost about the creme de la creme. So only share no ashe no. Yes, I no watch point in every no because one person make statements so person winning league no. What you say?
There is a big responsibility which is lying on Asante Kotoko players no who do. Last game now was stadium. What's a typical Kotoko nko abodro ofie. Upie be gina VIP anymore and ka obeti insult. But as I said, not they were content.
Yeah. Africa.
Yeah.
Mana ebono.
And then na so mu yoku ya bodro there. But most of
Donald also attested to the fact that the Heart of Lions team is a good team.
It was a good team. And Kotoko played quite well.
Yeah, a quiet draw like Ensha because Heart of Lions has a very good side.
Yen kan cho mo say enede no. Say you draw mo asema to mo. Hey. Obo draw to aso mienu.
Untimi ma points then team goes how.
Maybe dey minim nkofo no. Man Sunday ya wa draw. Enede no ko draw. VIP animu no ombeti omo samia so the time bia we do ho na ya we interview
after weekend the following week whack into wo bodro 2 dia ko whack game after any game which a weekend you again poor weekend Premier League na the next weekend game no whack and also probably the biggest fixture of Kotoko in this calendar year.
Yeah, more the
biggest fixture in this calendar year.
Yeah, this calendar
2025 year. Kotoko the biggest game of their lives.
Yeah, no crime Yeah. It's a must win and you should win.
Yeah,
It was all blaster game we have a 12 hour.
Yeah, you best you over.
We as well, no be dinko.
Okay.